Oh no. No, no, no. Son of a gun. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna fit. Looks like we're gonna have to repin it, take these connectors out, and then put the new one on because we have the wrong Francis. Son of a gun, ain't gonna work. Alright. Alright, you guys wanna know how to do this? You guys wanna watch this video? Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Subscribe button. Alright, let's go to the bench. Guess who's back? Back again. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Look, I got a special little treat for you guys. Yeah, by the time of this video, you all guessed it, I'm gonna help you guys out once again. I couldn't help myself but to share this information with you guys. I found this little kit. I mean, it's so cheap, so inexpensive. It's under 20 bucks, guys. It'll be the best $15, $20 you guys ever spent for the garage. Now, we already know. We're gonna just get down to it. These connectors sometimes, depending on what you guys are working with, can be a relay, can be a steering column thing, could be just something on the engine, and you can fix the connector or you can replace it, and all you got to do is get the pin out, right? Or better yet, you can actually fix it yourself because the parts are included in the kit you bought. So that's kind of what I ran into, and that's what made me want to start this video, because as you guys know, we got new steering column from I Did It, and with my column that I have the Ron Francis wiring, and so this connector is a little bit different. So I was like, shoot, I got to get these pins out. We got to get these pins out, redo the connector, and not to mention, it's like, you know what? I bought this tool a while back. Look, it's a little kit that it comes with all these little keys / pins, and these are all tools, man, that you get. It allows you to get these pins out. They're really neat, super cool, from males to female connectors. So I got to show you guys kind of how these work. So for example, the biggest thing you guys want to know is on the connector you're working on. If you guys can see, these things have a little tiny little locking tab on them. If you guys, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this one has a little locking tab. So you got to find that locking tab. You really have to know where that tab is at on the connector. So for example, on these ones, it's obviously going to be on the top or the bottom, right? So you'll look like this little key here has this little, almost looks like a fork. So this one, we're going to go ahead and just stick it literally right in between. You'll have holes in there. Take it right in between there. Jam it in there, and you're going to push up on the wire to kind of take some release off that pin, the locking tab, and then jam this guy in there, and bam, just like that, came right out. Look at that. So what you're doing essentially is that this guy is going in just like so, and it's pushing down on that locking pin, and then you can take it right out, take all these out, and put the new plastic connector on just like that. Or if you guys have something like this is just a relay. Same thing. You look for something that looks like it can fit in there. Let's take this one here for example. So this particular one on these relays, they have the locking tab right here in this little groove right here. So you're going to take something that can fit in that groove. We're going to put it right, jam it right in there. Once again, you kind of have to press up a little bit on the connector and then press down in here to relieve that pressure in there. Bam, just like that. See that? Pops right out. So if you look, that little lock-in tab is the only thing that holds it down. So all we're doing is taking this here and pushing it down to release out of the connector. It's easy as that. And then if you want to reuse it or put it back in, once you have a new terminal on there, you can, and it's boom, still good as new, ready to go. I'm telling you guys, best 15 bucks you guys will ever spend. Hey, it is super hot still here, by the way. Guys, I will put the link down in the description below, but hit the subscribe button if you guys like these videos. You know I like to help you everyone out. And subscribe, okay? Hey, and that's it. Simple as that. Hey, and stay wrenching.